What if I told you you could control your computer straight from your phone, move the mouse, type messages, or even play music remotely, all with just a few taps? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's actually super easy and totally free. Here's how to turn your smartphone into a powerful remote control for your PC. First, you'll need a simple app called Unified Remote. It's available for both Android and iPhone, and it works on Windows, macOS, and even Linux. Just go to unifiedremote.com and download the server software on your computer. Then install the Unified Remote app on your phone. Once both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, they'll automatically detect each other. Now the fun begins. Open the app on your phone. You'll see a list of remotes like mouse, keyboard, media, power, and more. Tap on mouse, and suddenly your phone screen becomes a trackpad. You can swipe to move the cursor, tap to click, and even scroll with 2 fingers, just like on a laptop. Need to type something? Switch to the keyboard remote. Your phone keyboard now controls your PC in real time. Perfect for typing web addresses, passwords, or short messages from across the room. You can even use it while watching movies on your computer. No need to stand up to pause or skip. And it gets better. With media controls, you can play, pause, change volume, or skip tracks on Spotify, YouTube, or any media player. There's also a power remote that lets you shut down, restart, or put your PC to sleep, all from your phone. It's like having a mini command center right in your hand. If you want even more control, you can upgrade to the Pro version. It unlocks custom remotes for apps like PowerPoint, Netflix, Chrome, and even VLC. But honestly, the free version already does everything most people need. So that's how you can control your computer with your phone. Easy, free, and surprisingly powerful. Whether you're presenting slides, watching movies, or just showing off to your friends, this trick will make you feel like a tech wizard. Give it a try today, and you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.